Australian Unity is a mutual company that has three major business lines. I work in wealth and capital markets. We have a health insurance business that most people know us for. The Melbourne Law School approached us with the proposition of the ELLIS program, a bunch of very, very clever law students to help us with a real-life corporate challenge. So we're happy to be a participant again, and really we're seeing great benefit out of this.
As an international student, both of us really want the experience to work here in Australia corporates. That's why we enrolled in ELLIS.
The challenge that we gave to the students is a real mix of balancing the commercial idea and interpreting the sort of legal boundaries in how do you make it feasible, palatable, and ultimately does it appeal to a target audience. And I'm happy to say that the students have done a terrific job.
I think coming up together with the team, we're all coming from civil law countries and English is not our first language, but it was really fun and challenging to navigate throughout Australia's legal system, the prevailing regulations and legislations, and through ELLIS itself, it's a very remarkable journey for us to really understand more about Australia law, how the corporates works, and it's truly an enriching opportunity.
Our mentor was very nice.
Yeah, he's very nice. He's very nice. He's not only come for a very superb company and background, but he's also very nice as well in person.
They are professionals. They do have a lot of skills, and many of them were doing their second or even third degree. So they knew what they were doing, but of course being in a new environment, new audience, different culture, different language, there was a lot of soft skills outside of the commercial questions that they would have had for their team lead that I was probably well placed to help them with and give them a safe place in the comfort zone to field any and all questions.
It's very challenging at first because we didn't really know each other. We didn't really know how to work with people coming from maybe different countries and different kind of way of learning.
At first, we just became teammates, but now we also become friends, and we also bump into each other in law school, saying hi, and also I think it's very rewarding to not only gain new experience, but also gain friends as well.
My reflection working with the students is they make it really easy for us. It's something that I would advocate anybody in the corporate world to do. It goes both ways. It's a rewarding piece for us to interact with the students. They come with a different perspective. Where they landed is a genuine idea that we're now trying to enact and put into the business. So real impact.
It can be challenging at first, but I think for us international student coming here is a huge step. Might as well make the most out of it. So I really encourage my fellow friends or fellow international students to join and just enjoy the ride.